On this video here, what I'm going to show you how to do is how to add more blocks to your course. Now the blocks are these things right here, these gray items on the sides of your screen. And you can add a various number of blocks. The way to do it is first to navigate to a course where you have instructor rights, which means that you have the ability to edit that course and add content to that course. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn editing on. And for those of you that are instructors, you'll notice that this screen probably looks very similar. And over on the bottom left-hand side, you'll see a thing that says add a block. It was something that wasn't there when we had editing turned off. So if we simply click on this drop-down, you notice that there's a number of different types of blocks that we can add. What I'm going to add is I'm going to add a, whoops, I inadvertently added a recent activity block there, but let me add the one that says you can put in, if you give a number of quiz results, you can click on the quiz results. I don't have any quiz results here, but you'll see right here, and you need to calibrate this one. So you need to say what quiz results you want to show, and you can specify it right there, and I probably won't have any, so I'll still have an error displayed. Oh, no, right there. And the nice part is that it shows the quiz results for the individual users. It doesn't show everybody's results. It just shows the results for that user. So there's a number of different blocks that you guys can investigate and play around with. But this is the way that you add blocks. You simply click on the add block down here when you have editing turned on. When you've added all your blocks that you want, you scroll up, hit turn editing off, and you'll notice it shows up right there. If I want to move that block, I can turn editing on. Say, for example, you notice how it's on the left-hand side, and I want to move it over here to the right. All I have to do is simply hover my mouse over it. You see I get that little arrow right there, and if I click, you'll see how I can just drag it from one side to the other. I let go, and now it shows up wherever it is that I placed it. So that's the way that you can add blocks to your course and also edit those blocks to show up in certain locations within your course.